verse 57 of chapter 24 of Madhya Lila. And continuing his teachings to Sanatana Goswami, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says in the mood of the gopis, or rather he's simply, now he's in a teaching mood. Guru tulya stri ganer vatsalye akarshan jasya sakyadi bhave purushari gan. Guru tulya stri ganer vatsalye akarshan jasya sakyadi bhave purushari gan. So he's saying the strigan. He's saying that women of Vrindavan who are on the level of superior guardians, interesting translation, the women of Vrindavan who are on the level of superior guardians, Guru Tulya, are attracted to Sri Krishna maternally, the old ladies, that is. That's why he says Stri and not Yuvati, Strigana. The men of Vrindavan are attracted as servants, friends, and fathers. So the gopis are expressing how they're attracted to Krishna. They're saying, who wouldn't be attracted? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is commenting on this verse and saying the gopis are pointing their attraction to Krishna and saying every woman in the universe is attracted. And Mahaprabhu is commenting, saying, not only the yuvati, yogya bhave jagate jata yuvatira gan, but even the vatsalya, even the vatsalya gan, even the old ladies in vatsalya bhav, they're attracted to Krishna. And the dasya sakya adi bhave purushadi gan. The purusha means, and not only that, but beginning with the old ladies in Vrindavan, they're in motherly affection, and also the servants, Krishna's servants, dasya sakya adi. So the friends of Krishna, those in fraternal bhav or sakya ras or dasya rati, they're all attracted to Krishna. He says Guru Tulya. In other words, Tulya means Guru Tulya Stri Ganar. I would maybe beg to say something different here in the translation.